Hello everyone, this is Gajanand and you are watching Tech Rudransi. In this tutorial I will teach you accordion in Bootstrap 4. So let's see what is accordion. When I click on item 1, some content are visible, and when I click on item 2, the previous one are disabled, and second one we can see, right? So this is called accordion in Bootstrap 4, right? So let's understand accordion by real example. So this is my plain blank empty project, and here I will write a code to understand accordion. So first we need to make a div, and in this div we have to give ID of this div, and you can give any ID. I am giving accordion, right? And in between in this div we have to give another div, and div should be closed, and give a class which is a card, right? And in this card we want to give one more div like this, and its class is card header, which is this one, right? And in this card header I want to create a button and any link. So here I'm creating button, right? And button we need to give a class btn, right? And btn link, control S for save, right? And this is item 1, item 1, right? So when we see the output of this page, how it looks, you can see, but when we click it's nothing working, right? So what we have to do next, we need to create a another div it here, div, and div should be closed, and put it id item 1 container, item 1 container, okay, container, and give it a class. So by default it's collapse, 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 and so show, so, right? So let's see it's working or not, right? So still it's not working when we click. So for that we have to copy this id, right? And put a attribute which is a data target, and data target we want to target this id, this container, right? And put some content it here. So I'm using a lorem ipsum, right? Let's copy this content and paste it here. Yeah, paste it here, control S for save, and let's refresh. So when I click it's still not working because we have to give a one more attribute to this button, which is a data toggle, and data toggle is collapse, which is this collapse, right? Control S for save and refresh. So now you can see, right? So it's looking pretty good, right? So this content is not it's touch to right side, and it doesn't have any margin and padding. So for that we have to put this content inside any div and give a bootstrap class. So this is a div, right? And paste this content it here, and give a class which is a card body, control S for save, and let's refresh. So you can see it's now perfect. So when I click it's working, right? So pretty much it's good. So one more attribute we have to give a data parent, right? Data parent, right? Why I'm giving I will show you in a minute. So data parent, rent, data parent, and data parent is parent of this div. So our parent div is this one, so we want to target. Let's copy and paste it here, right? With hashtag like this, right? Control S for save, and let's refresh. So still the result is same. So for some other items we have to copy and paste this card like this. Let's copy and paste it here. You can put it many. This is for item 2, right? And item 1 container, and this is item 2 container, right? And this container should be a mesh to this container id, which is a data target. Control S for save, and let's see the output of this page, right? So now you can see, right? Yeah, it's look good, right? So and second one I think don't show, right? By default we want to show a first one, right, which is first card we want to show, right? So if you remove this card, all the your accordion content will be invisible. When we click, it will be show, but by default we want to show, so let's put it show, right? So second one are not showing by default. So for third container we have to also copy this card like this. Let's copy and paste it here. You can put many. So this is for item 3, and this is item 3 container. So let's put it 3 and put it 3 2. Control S for save, and let's refresh. So now we have a 3 items sit here. When I click, it's a content are visible, and second one is the previous one is visible. It means we are not able to see. So this is called accordion. So pretty much we have done. So if you like this video, please let me know what you think about this. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day.